Alright, my video is on already. And we are good to go. So, huh? Alright, I see that. So, what's our first topic? Numbers and numeration. So, our system will be to get some questions now, short questions, then try using the question to explain our, topic. Is that okay? Alright. So I have a question here, and it is, can we write this? Now, actually, we are starting from the very basics of mathematics, alright? So that every one of us can, brace up and follow. You understand? So now, what are you seeing here? This is, um, you know, showing simple basic mathematics operation. Are you getting me? So that's numbers, there's no letter there, right? So in this kind of operation, when you see something like this, the first thing that comes to your mouth is Bodmas. Is what? Bodmas. Bodmas. So Bodmas, what you are seeing here is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Why not mass boards? Why not? Why is it just? Why does it have a sequence? Because the sequence shows the engagement or operation. What I mean by that is that the operation you follow in sequential order. You operate the bracket, if there's a bracket in the operation, before you go to off, if it has off, before you do division, before you do multiplication, and before you do what? Addition, then subtraction. Are you with me? So you follow that order. It's an order of operation eh, for an arithmetic or simple numeral. Are you with me? Are you with me? So how many operations do we have here? Subtraction, division, and addition. From Bodmas, what are we doing? Bracket of division. So what on division first? Are you see? As simple as ABCD. Are you see that? Alright, so let's do. So the first thing is to put all these numbers in a more simple term. In a more what? Simple term. The simple term of this number is what? 4 times 1 plus 3. So that will be 7 over 4 minus 3 times 3 plus 1 divided by 3 times 1 plus 2. 2 times 2 huh? Plus 1 5 over 2. So this is the first operation. So you can put bracket there. If that is the first operation, you can put bracket. Okay, so let's go. So what we have now? 7 over 4 minus what we have this side. Okay? And let's complete this. 10 over 3 times 3 over 5. Everybody, do you accept that? You accept that? You will have to come to lesson. Yeah? Come to lesson because I always be like this because of my camera. Now listen. When you have 10 over 3 divided by 5 over 3, eh? This is how you divide. Or this divided by this, or and this divided by this. Denominator divided by denominator, numerator divided by what? Numerator. So 3 here, 1, 3 here, 1. 5 here, 5 here. So the answer is 2 divided by 1, which is what? 2 over 1. Meanwhile, this also works like this. 10 over 3 takes the division to multiplication. That will be what? When you take the multiplication, your denominator here will come up and yes, numerator goes down. So what we have? Why? Because you are looking for the inverse. What I say? Inverse. So inverse, when you take this, you are looking for the inverse. So what you have now? 3 cancel 3, 5 here 1, 5 here is what? 2. Can you see that? So is it not the same thing as 2 over 1? Uh-huh. So everything here will give us what? Everything here gives us what? 2 over 1. So 7 over 4 minus 2 over 1 plus 5 over 2. Can you see how easy it is? Is that okay? Huh? Okay, so what we have now? Huh? Now, when you have something like this, according to this law, you're supposed to operate what? Addition before subtraction, right? Eh? Now let me give you something you must understand. Anytime you have minus and plus at the same time, only, what I say, only, operate them at once. Operate them what? At once. Take them collectively at a go. That's an exception. Alright? Is that okay? Okay, so we have minus plus, so we're taking it at the go. So we are putting everything. Because the only problem that remains. Are you with me now? Eh? So what is the LCM of 4, 1, and 2? 4, 1, 2. What's the LCM? Alright, let's get the LCM. Let's go. 2 in 4. 2. 1. 2 here. This is your LCM. Okay? So what do we have? 4 as our LCM. 4 divided by 4. 1. 1 times 7. 4 divided by 1. 4. 4 times 2. 4 divided by 2. 2 times 5. And I add the numerator. 7 minus 8. Minus 1 plus 10. 9 over 4. And that will give you what? 2 over and make that what? 1 over 4. That is the answer, class. Thank you. Okay, let's give you an exercise to evaluate what you learn. Now, when you are doing an exercise, expect that it's not the same. Sometimes your exercise is more tactical, right, than your example. Eh? But you expect us when we are explaining, we should not use the one that is simple to explain. You have to use the one that is simple to explain, make you understand, then try you with something different. You understand now? Alright, let's take this. This is number 1. This is number 1. Number 2. Alright, that's the work. Try this one. Let's see how it goes. Try it. Alright, I've given you guys time to try to solve that question. So I want to do my explanation. Is that okay? Alright, let's start. Class. Don't worry, I'll give you another one. I'll give you another one. Let's try. Okay, let's try. Like what we said initially, when you want to do this operation, you consider Bodmas. So from that Bodmas, the first thing is what? Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So, but like I said, you have to make this simple number, okay? Alright, let's make it a simple number. What do we have? 5 times 2, 18 over 5, alright? Plus what? 2 over 3, times 5 over 7, 5 over 3. Now, listen. Simplify this so that you get what? One answer because of the bracket, okay? The parenthesis, that bracket is also known as parenthesis, alright? The parenthesis, are you with me? Parenthesis signifies that we need to bring this together to have a single answer. So let's do that. LCM, 15 divided by 5, 3. 3 times 13, 39. So 15 divided by 3, 5. 5 times 2, 9, 10, I mean. Times what? 5 over 7. Please make sure everybody is paying attention. Look at the board. Stop writing. Look at the board. Add this, what do you have? 49 over 50. As far as, hello, as soon as you are done with this, hello, as soon as you are done with this, and you have your single answer, then you do away with the bracket. Do away with what? The bracket. So what you have left is what? Times 5 over 7 minus 5 over 3. Now, you have multiplication and what? Subtraction. Which operation do you go first? You know, I told you, this is addition and subtraction, you take it as you go, right? But they are not the same, right? So, which operation are we operating first? Multiplication, right? So, we'll multiply this two. You can now put your bracket and multiply the two of them. So, let's go. 7 here is what? 1. 7 here is what? 7. 5 here is what? 3. 5 here is what? 1. So, what do we have? 7 over 3 minus 5 over 3. So, let's do. LCM is what? 3. 7 minus 5, right? LCM is 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 times 7, 7. 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 times 5, 5. So 7 minus 5, 2 over 3. That is our answer. Is that okay? I hope you understand that. Now, let's give you, hello, I want to do that. Let's give you another work to try. Can we try this? Can we try this? Whatever you're doing is helping my mind. I hope you know. Can we try this? Alright, let's try this. Let's try this. Alright, welcome back. We want to solve this question on the board. Alright? So let's go. What we have. I have to prepare all these things. What we have? 3 times 3. 9 plus 1. 10 over 3 minus, alright, let's continue. 5 over 16 divided by 1, 1 over 4, or what? 5 over 8. So we're working on off. So what one? 10 over 3, 5 over 10 over 16, and let's operate this. Off means multiplication, abi? So when you say multiplication, what do you have? 5 times 5, 32. Is that okay? Now you're working on this, right? Let's go. 5 over 16 times that is what? 10 over 3 minus 2. Now you can now find LCM, okay? So what's the LCM? Huh? 3, abi? 3 divided by 3. 1 times 10. 3 divided by 1. 3 times 2. 10 minus 6 over 3. And the simple form of that is 1 over 1 over. Alright. I hope you get that. So let's solve more questions. I have 11 questions on the board. So I'm going to be solving any question together with us. Right? Then the remaining ones, everyone will go and solve it on his own. Put those online and those offline. Is that okay? Is that okay? Okay, let's solve. So I pick the question I want. Oh yeah, give me one to solve. Give me the one to solve. Number 7. Okay, I pick number 7. Number 7 I'm simplifying. Please, I want to pay attention. Now, when you have this thing, let's put them in simple terms first. So what we have 4 times 2. That 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, 9 over 4. 1 over 4, 1 over 8, or 8 over 3, right? So then you now look at it and discover that the division here, right? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Another division here off. When you have something like this, you know, this divided by this, right? So I need to simplify everything here so that it becomes this. Before I will now add this divided by this. You get it now? So I'll simplify everything here first. So let's work on off before division, right?
Yeah, 8 over 24.
8 here 1, this is multiplication, right?
Yes.
8 here 1, 8 here 1, 1. So you have 1 over 3, right? So what you have? 9 over 4. Now I can convert it to divide by the bracket. Or in order not to confuse that, continue what I was doing. 9 over 4, 1 over 4, divided by 1 over 3. Oh, yeah. That's 4 times what? 3 over 1, right? So let's do 9 over 4, 3 times 4, that's the what? So you can now say divide by what? No, you can put it there, right? Okay? So now to simplify that, what you have? 9 over 4 times 1 over 12. 3 here how many? 3 here. 3 over 16. 3 over 16. So I'll clean the board and do the next one. Oh, yeah, right.